Right, so thought I'd do a bit of a fun set today. Was out at the Lego store the other day with my friend Sarah, and they had these in stock, which I think are awesome. A little bit of fun. It's the enlarged minifig set with the minifigure inside the head, controlling like a robot. That's cool, different, and I thought it'd be nice for displaying behind me on the shelves. So my friend Serdar and his daughter have actually built this, and they did it in 1 hour. And we're going to see how long it takes me. I guarantee it's going to be longer than an hour. So let's see what happens. I'm going to open it up. This is different. I like it. It's something unusual. But looks fun. So there we go. And no tabs. Nice. Ah, look at that. This is cool. Just a box full of bags. GG's. We got 2, 5, 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, there's 2 ones. Okay, 2 ones. And a big hat. That's cool. Super. The hat doesn't stay on my head. Anyway, that's going to be last thing probably. Oh, we got 2 2s, a 4, a 5, 3 ones. Oh my god. Okay, so there's 3 ones, 2 2s, 1 3, a 4 and a 5. So I have no idea how many bags that is. That's an enormous amount for such a small thing with only 654 pieces. Let's have a look at the manual. Nothing in there except for how to build. So that's the manual, which is cool. I'm going to put that down there. I'm going to put this box down here, and I'm going to start opening up the bags. I might need an extra box. Maybe not. I don't think so. Right. Okay. Anyway, so I'm now going to start the speed build, and I will tell you how long it takes in total. See you in a bit. Okay, this was fun. I really enjoyed this. Actually loved the result. It's really, really cool. This is your minifig, but bigger. You got posable arms, it's got posable legs, but there's not much you can do with it. You know, kick his leg out or something. You can lean him. That's quite cool. And then in his hat, he has a minifigure controlling him, which is kind of cool. Yeah, that's good. I mean, these gears at the back, I thought they might do something, but they don't actually do anything. So, yeah, whatever, doesn't matter. It's just a gimmicky thing, but it's cool. I really enjoyed the build. A little bit frustrating because there's no 3D build manual on it, but so I used the PDF within the software, and it just kept crashing. You can also do this with his hands. You can move his hands around whatever you want. It's quite cool. Would have been really nice as like a giant sword or something, or a gun even. Yeah, maybe you need to make a gun for him. But yeah, it's great fun. Really liked it, and he's going to be superb on the stage, like behind me. I think I'm just going to display him. So he's watching over us. So yeah, not much I can say about it really. 906 pieces, but it did actually take me a lot longer than it took my friend Sarah. And I'm hoping to include some like little images or something of him doing his build within this video somehow. But yeah, we both built the same thing. Took him an hour, took me 2 hours. So yes, he's a lot faster than me, but I did enjoy it. Obviously, sorry, yeah, his head can also turn, so you could look, which is cool. Yeah, so posable. I think, you know, it's kind of like a cool kind of pose like that, but it's keeping him there. That's the problem. He doesn't really like to stand like whatever. He can stand up there. So yeah, I give it nearly a 10 out of 10. That was maybe 9 out of 10, because the instructions were a bit of a pain. But it's a good fun little set. If you get a chance to get one, maybe in a sale or something, I'd get it, just to put it on display. It's really cool. It's good fun. I wanted one for a long time and didn't realise they had them at the local Lego store. And when somebody brought them out to the front, I'm, oh my God, quick, grab it. And Sarah was with me and he grabbed one as well. So yeah, bit of a fun build, bit of a relax on a Sunday, which is nice. So thumbs up, smash the like button, subscribe, tell your friends, comments, everything helps. Whatever you can do, I'd appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next build. Thank you very much for watching.